These are the large format porcelain panels that we're going to be installing. They're 3 meters by 1.5 meters by 6 millimeters thick, with a weight of 15 kilos a square meter. So you've got a weight of 67.5 kilograms per panel, occupying 4.5 square meters. And with the aid of the new StoneClip wall clip, we're going to actually show how we can install 4 of them back to back. This is a perspex example of how we intend to fix the StoneClip. So you can see here the StoneClip block nut, which will secure the actual clip onto our adjustable shaft, and then we'll be able to fix that with the aid of the base plate onto here. All the adjustment will occur between the shaft, the base plate and the channel, and will allow us to directly fix those large format porcelain panels to our new support clip. These are the StoneClip 316 concrete stainless steel screw bolts with the washers here, and the square washer you can see in the channel are what we've used to actually install the channel into the 150mm deep precast panels. They require a 6.5mm drill bit for the pilot hole and a 10mm socket attached to an impact driver for ease of installation.